I'm Josh Decker, an attorney with Johnson, Vorhees, and Martucci, and I'm talking about the topic today of the workers' compensation system. In 2018, over 100,000 work injuries were reported to the Missouri Division of Workers' Compensation. Navigating the workers' compensation system is a common source of stress and anxiety for injured workers. If you have been hurt at work, the first thing is to obtain emergency medical care. Your health and safety are the most important thing, and you have the right to seek emergency care after an injury. Call 911 if necessary, go to the emergency room, or seek care at an urgent care facility. Next, you must provide notice of your injury to your boss. Under Missouri law, you have 30 days generally to provide notice in writing to your employer. It is best to provide notice as soon as is practical. Failure to provide notice can result in the denial of your claim. If you need more than that initial medical care, you cannot assume that your employer and its work comp insurer will volunteer additional care. You must be an advocate for your health and request additional treatment, preferably in writing, from the adjuster assigned to your case or to your boss if there is no adjuster assigned. Next, it's important to know what benefits are available under the workers' compensation law. First, your employer must provide you with necessary medical care. Your employer is allowed to choose the doctors that you see. You can see your own doctor, but generally that will be at your own expense. Second, you are entitled to compensation for lost wages if you miss more than 3 days of work. This benefit is called temporary total disability, and it is paid at 2/3 of your pre-injury wage. Finally, if you have permanent disability as a result of your work injury, you are entitled to compensation. There are two types of permanent disability. The first is permanent partial disability. This disability benefit is designed to compensate people who are able to return to some employment after an injury. The disability is expressed as a percentage of disability at the body part involved in the case. Do not assume that the treating doctor's assessment of disability is the final word on your disability. The second disability benefit is permanent total disability. This benefit is designed to compensate individuals who can return to no employment because of the work injury. Permanent total disability is paid as a weekly benefit for life. No matter how great your relationship may be with your employer, you cannot assume that its workers' compensation insurer will have your best interests in mind. Like all insurers, workers' compensation insurers seek to minimize their expenditures, often through denying legitimate claims, sending injured people to insurer-friendly doctors, and lowballing settlement offers. Knowing your rights, and most importantly, when to contact an experienced workers' compensation trial attorney can make all the difference in your case. Finally, don't assume that you only have a workers' compensation case just because you were hurt at work. Many work injuries are the result of a third party's negligence. Common examples include on-the-job car crashes, slip and falls at premises other than your employer's, injuries from defective products, and even medical malpractice for treatment related to your injury. If you have been hurt at work, arming yourself with the knowledge of your rights and benefits under the workers' compensation law can help alleviate your stress and allow you to get on the road to recovery. If you were hurt at work and have questions about the workers' compensation system, call us at Johnson, Vorhees, and Martucci to discuss your case.